Hey guys, this is HP OfficeJet Pro 9120. I'm going to show you how to replace or remove the ink. Open up the cover. To replace the ink, you need to push the ink down for you to remove it. Push the second one inside, then remove it. So you need to push inside, then remove. Push inside and remove. If you want to put this back, push it inside, then take yellow, go in, push it inside, then take magenta, go in, push it inside, then take cyan, go in and push it inside. So this is exactly how this works. To remove it, push and remove, push. Push and remove. So this is how to remove or replace the ink. Thank you very much and stay blessed. Thank you.